started such a tiny event and has grown into something huge. You know, they are so nice. It's all about getting kids excited about STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. But even more than that, we're trying to create this kind of visceral experience, just excitement that's there. So the Rockies have been so kind, as you know, to invite me to throw out the first pitch.
Oh, fun! I didn't know that.
Yeah, and so you got to practice.
You do,
know,
okay.
And so everyone knows this. You got to practice. And so I thought this would be a great idea. So here's how we're going to practice. Kind of built this. See this little weather clicker? That's going to disappear.
Not a good place for it?
Yeah, I'll show you one. So here's what happens. Watch the contraption. You're welcome to come in. So it's a bucket. In just a second, we're going to put hot water in the bucket.
Okay, hot water
and then
in the bucket.
this goes here like this. Got it?
Yep.
So then you're going to throw the baseball and try to hit the target. And if you hit the target, oh, look at that, there it is. If you hit the target, bam, this falls, boom, and it drops the hot water in here.
Okay, and I assume that we're not just placing the water in the bucket, right?
Well, no, there's going to be liquid nitrogen in the bucket, all right? So, so here's how we're going to do this. You ready? So you're going to hang on here like this. Just hold the bucket in place. Good. So I'm going to climb up here. No, people at home, this isn't dangerous. Kids, if your mom and dad, hold it, Kylie. If your mom and dad love you, kids, they'll make you one of these at home. So this will be fine.
Ooh, that is very hot.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Wonderful.
Got it? Okay, good.
Good to go.
Okay, so it's good. It's good. Okay, got it. Now, you're going to take your safety glasses, put your safety glasses on. I'm going to pour the liquid nitrogen into here. So you just go to the pantry and get your liquid nitrogen. It's perfectly fine. Everybody's got some at home, so you shouldn't worry about this at all. This will be fine.
Feel it on the toes.
All right, so here's what's going to happen. When the hot water hits the liquid nitrogen, then we're going to get a little cloud.
Okay.
This will be fun. So here's what you're going to do. You stand back over here.
Over here.
Good, and I'm going to come over here.
Safety goggles on.
And I'm just going to try to catch for you. If you miss, then I'll throw you another ball. But you're going to get it, okay? So hit it. Ready? Here we go. Here we go.
Oh,
so close, so close. So close. Again.
Okay.
Ready, hit again. Ready? You can do it. Ready?
Oh, Steve, we might be here for a
so
while.
close.
Should we swap?
One more.
You
Oh,
swap.
no, it's okay. Ready? Here we go. Ready? You're going to be great. Come on, you can do it. First pitch.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Pitch.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. What? Well, this is how we're practicing for the first pitch for the call. Was that awesome?
That was amazing. I'm so glad I did my hair today,
You
Steve.
did a beautiful job. Now, I think that we're probably going to get some Twitter and some Facebook and Instagram with people saying, why couldn't you have just practiced with your boys? Maybe just throwing the first pitch instead of this contraption. But isn't this more fun? It's just what's more to come at Weather and Science Day. We have Estes Rockets that'll be out with us. We have Colorado State University, fantastic. The world champion boomerang thrower will be out with us.
Yes, that's going to be so cool.
And the Denver Fire Department will be there just because I'm there. So,
of course, to make sure.
Yeah.
And anyone can come to this event.
Tickets are still available.
Schools, and then you can stay for the game after, which is the winner.
303 Rockies, or go online or whatever. You look fantastic. Don't worry about it. Good. And I'll practice the first pitch. Did you do okay? Is everything good?
I think
good,
so.
Good.
Everything is soaked back
here. Hey, it is soaked.
Too funny.
Slow-mo. I want to see it again and again and again. All right. We'll see you on Wednesday.